Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Time Farm listing date and TGE stir community excitement. The buzz surrounding Time Farm has been growing steadily, and a recent anonymous poll conducted by Time Farm News offers a clear snapshot of the features that are most exciting to the community. With over 50,661 votes tallied, the poll reveals the ultimate areas of interest beyond just the highly anticipated Time Farm Token Generation event, TGE. As we delve into the results, we uncover which aspects are driving enthusiasm, setting the stage for major developments in the Time Farm ecosystem. Community's top picks. What's getting everyone excited? Selling $2 tokens, 76% excited. It's clear that liquidity is a top priority for the Time Farm community. A staggering 76% of respondents expressed the most excitement over the ability to sell second tokens. This overwhelming interest speaks volumes about the community's desire to see a real financial return on their investments. As more people flock to participate, the demand for liquidity is growing, and the potential for financial rewards seems like the ultimate motivator for investors. Whether it's the flexibility to trade or simply the chance to cash out gains, the excitement around the second token sale is undeniable. Micro tasks and web platform, 9% each. Both the micro tasks feature and the new web platform secured 9% of the vote each, showing a solid amount of enthusiasm for these features. The micro tasks feature appeals to users looking for simple yet rewarding tasks that can be completed in short bursts, offering an easy way to earn within the ecosystem. These tasks allow for a more interactive experience with Time Farm, where users can earn small rewards by completing easy-to-do actions, which make participation accessible to a wide range of users, from beginners to seasoned investors. Meanwhile, the web platform is another area of interest. This feature is designed to create a centralized space where users can manage their investments, track earnings, and participate in Time Farm activities in a streamlined manner. The web platform is anticipated to be a one-stop shop for everything within the Time Farm ecosystem, which appeals to those who prefer an organized, user-friendly interface to track all their assets and tasks. Other features, 6% excited about Airdrop and TGE. While a small portion of respondents, 6%, listed other features, many comments pointed to the excitement surrounding the Time Farm Airdrop and the upcoming TGE. These two events are generating significant anticipation within the community, suggesting that they will play a crucial role in shaping the future of the project. The airdrop, in particular, is expected to give many users their first taste of Time Farm tokens, while the TGE is set to be the ultimate turning point for the project, driving even more attention and investment into the ecosystem. Time Farm listing date and price predictions. As if the excitement surrounding the TGE wasn't enough, Time Farm is gearing up for its highly anticipated listing on MEXC by November 30th, 2024. This marks a major milestone for the project, as it will not only increase the visibility of the Time Farm token but also allow a much wider audience to participate in trading. The listing on a prominent exchange like MEXC provides the project with enhanced credibility and opens the doors to more investors from around the world. Expected listing price. When it comes to the listing price, early market predictions are leaning towards an initial price of $0.0150 per token. This figure is based on trends observed in the pre-market stage, as well as growing community demand. With the huge number of community members already involved and the excitement building, the listing price could see a strong surge in value once it goes live. The anticipated high trading volume could fuel this rise as more users jump into the market, increasing demand and boosting the price of Time Farm tokens. Community growth, a powerful force. One of the most impressive aspects of the Time Farm project is its rapid growth. The community has now swelled to an astonishing 15 million users, a clear sign that the project is attracting significant attention. As more people become aware of the Time Farm ecosystem and its offerings, the excitement only intensifies. With millions already invested in the platform, the upcoming events, especially the TGE and the listing on MEXC, will likely see even more users join the fold, pushing the community's momentum even further. A bright future ahead, Time Farm's trajectory. With the TGE on the horizon, Time Farm is poised to experience a major leap forward. The strong community backing, the overwhelming excitement for the second token sale, and the promise of valuable features like micro-tasks and the web platform suggest that the project is on the verge of something big. The combination of these factors is already creating a powerful energy that could fuel the next stage of growth. The upcoming listing on MEXC only adds fuel to the fire. As more investors discover the Time Farm project and become part of its vibrant community, trading volume is likely to surge, driving the price of Time Farm tokens higher. The community's engagement, paired with the increasing utility of the platform, suggests that Time Farm has the potential to dominate the market and continue its trajectory as a leading player in the crypto space. What's next for Time Farm? The ultimate question now is, what can we expect as we approach the Time Farm TGE and listing date? With such a large and excited community, it's clear that the upcoming events will mark a pivotal point for the project. As more people buy into the Time Farm ecosystem, the overall value of the token could appreciate significantly, leading to more investors flocking to get involved. The combination of a strong community, strategic platform features, and high visibility through MEXC will likely drive the success of Time Farm in the months and years to come. Investors and community members alike are eager to see where this journey will lead, and with the ultimate goal of widespread adoption, the future of Time Farm looks brighter than ever. As we approach these pivotal moments, the excitement continues to build, and all eyes are on Time Farm to deliver on its promises. Whether it's the chance to sell second tokens, earn through micro-tasks, or benefit from the platform's growth, Time Farm has a lot to offer, and the community is more than ready for what's next.